Projecta smart relays will change the way you manage connected devices on your vehicles. The multi-channel and single-channel smart relays have a lot of the same cool features. However, the single-channel relays have a few differences and a few unique advantages, including a current sensor which can monitor usage and provide digital fusing up to 12 volt 40 amp or 24 volt 15 amp, allowing the system to turn devices on or off based on available current. This is ideal for vehicles with limited size alternators. The voltage sensitive relay allows simple charging from one battery to another, suiting an older four-wheel drive or boats. A multi-function trigger which can be used for a range of things like driving light control or reverse lights. Our single channel relays are easy to install, just like a normal relay, but with an extra pin for the LIN signal, which is what makes all of this possible. They can slot together for a neat and compact installation. They are fully sealed to IP68 and 69K, so they can be mounted pretty much anywhere. And just like the multi-channel smart relays, everything can be controlled from your Projecta 2-inch smart display, your phone app, or Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Projecta smart relays, the simple way to make your system smarter.